Hi everyone, it's Adam here again with another 2-minute wellness tip. Today let's get into your back, your lats specifically, and your serratus muscle, a little bit of the chest, but mainly the rib cage here and the lats. Hard to do unless you have a pulley in which you can pull down the lat pulls. So these are pullovers. I have a couple of dumbbells here, and you can do this with pretty much any weight. You could fill a water jug with water. You could use, books, okay? Cans of soup if you're at home with no equipment, or if you just happen to find a set of old weights lying around in your basement as you're doing your spring cleaning here, then you could use a set of weights. So I'm going to take one of these dumbbells, and I'm going to hold this dumbbell. I'm going to make a diamond with my hands. I'm going to hold the dumbbell in the diamond here. As I lie back, I'm going to make sure that I'm in the center of my bench so they don't fall off to one side. I'm going to lift my knees as I lie back, lift the weight overhead, and now press the weight away with that diamond that I just made. Okay, you can tell my knees are up, and this keeps my back nice and flat. I'm going to scoot back here a little bit more. Now, draw my arms down over, keeping my ribs down on the bench. And then slowly pull up, and I want to come to not quite vertical, just a little bit less than vertical, so you keep the pressure on the muscles. Again, keeping my ribs and my lower back down, I'll lower and then slowly pull up overhead. Let's do a couple more. Inhaling as I go down, sucking in my core, exhaling as I come up, not quite vertical. Last time, inhale going down. Exhale, pulling up. I'll take that weight, put it down onto my thighs, and roll up to a sitting position. And there you have it. Pullovers for your lats and your serratus muscles. Also, of course, your triceps and back of the shoulders. Okay? Great exercise to do to keep great posture and to really develop the upper body strength. Enjoy, and I will see you again soon.